Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the secure steps required to successfully list and cash out your entire Steam account using the G2G marketplace. First, log into your approved G2G seller dashboard. Hit the Sell button and locate the Steam category to set up your listing. It is incredibly important to craft a title that captures attention, so make sure to highlight your total account value, account age, Steam level, and your absolute best AAA titles like Grand Theft Auto or Cyberpunk. In the description block, provide an extensive layout of your digital library, your current wallet balance, and explicitly state if the profile has a clean VAC ban record to reassure potential buyers. Upload multiple screenshots of your game library page and community profile as verifiable proof of ownership. Choose automated delivery to let G2G securely transmit the initial login credentials instantly upon purchase, or manual delivery to guide the buyer through changing the primary email and disabling Steam Guard. Finally, set a competitive price, publish it live, and wait for your funds. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.